we're back, and it's Fab Fit Fun again. I haven't had Fab Fit Fun in a year, so I'm wondering what happened to the super cute box. Maybe the super cute box is in here, because this is just regular. Don't see a super cute box yet. Let's see. Ah, here's the super cute box. It's super cute for fall. I don't need... Oh, look, there's something else. Okay, so you go. Alright. What's this? Pure Nalatica melt. I don't know what this is. Oh my gosh, glasses. Because this print is so small. I don't know if this squeeze out balm and massage into skin used as an overnight facial mask or throughout the day where needed. We suggest around eyes, on lips, and on dry patches. Wow. Use it around my eyes right now. Because I look 100 around there. It's super odorless. This is made by LXMI, and I don't know who they are because I don't know a lot about this stuff. Where'd my glasses go? Okay. So far so good. Okay, so this bag was on top of the super cute box. I think I selected this as an addition because I don't have 8,000 bags. So I needed 8,001 bags. It's basic, it's cute, I like it. Some people would call it a weekend bag, but I would never be able to fit a weekend's worth of stuff in here. Fit my toiletries. It's cute. It's cute. It's not the... You know, sometimes you get that Victoria's Secret bag free when you buy so much stuff. It's not the quality of that. It's a little lesser quality, I would say. All right. What have we here? So much packaging. Magazine, how the box is curated. Oh my goodness, an ad for food. What is this? $80 off HelloFresh. They keep trying to get me into that HelloFresh. Down for the peel. Oh, a foot mask. I actually need this because I went a little wild with that razor thing. Sometimes I can't walk. Makeup eraser. It is my understanding that this would be a magic eraser for your face. Erase all your makeup with just water. Well, it's not just water, it's also with this eraser. Let's look at it. Okay. It's super soft. Bye-bye makeup wipes forever. Thank you for joining our movement. Your purchase is helping eliminate the third most wasteful product in the world, wipes. Oh, I know what they're talking about, those makeup wipes. You know, I usually bring a pink washcloth on vacation because I don't want to use the white washcloths in hotels and get my makeup all over it. So I guess I'll be bringing this one now because it's very soft, and oh my gosh, how cute is this? I don't even know. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see how cute this is. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. It makes me want to go to, I don't know where. Washington, D.C. and see those flowers everyone talks about. This is adorable. Did I add this on or was this included? Oh, it's so cute. I did add some points on, and I cannot remember what they were, but this was one of them. It is a little lunchbox. Because when I do my next Disney bounding, which if you don't know what that is, it's where you wear it's not a costume to Disney World. It's an outfit inspired by a Disney character. And the other day I was Wally. But next time I'm going to be the parking lot attendants. Because I was that for Halloween one year. I'm so gonna bring this little bag. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Keep my battery chargers, phone chargers. Because it's pretty small for a little cooler tote. It's pretty small. Like, I guess some cans would. Okay, so I guess it's the height of some cans. Because at first I thought it was like a covered dish dinner at church thing, and that was not going to work for me. Alright, this has eyelashes on it, so I don't know what it is. But, oh. Baddington lashes. I've been using Latisse, which you can't tell because I don't have mascara on. Fake eyelashes kind of freak me out. Oh, but this one, okay. This one has a little bit of glue with it. I did not do so well with the magnetic lashes. Ooh, these are totally cute. Totally cute. Okay. Skin and Company truffle therapy. Man, I wish there was some real truffle therapy going on right now. Whipped cleansing cream. Whipped polishing cleansing cream with truffle extract. Extract of truffles? How many calories are in this? Gentle yet effective cleanser and makeup remover. They really want me to have my makeup off. Barely wearing any makeup anyway. Antioxidants, skin soothing botanical, yada yada yada. $45 on wine. You want me to be drunk with some HelloFresh. Make them say, OMG, look at that box. Pass this on to a friend who would love Fab Fit Fun. What is this? This looks like something from the China Pavilion in Epcot. And I don't know how to open it. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, I have to cut these. Well, I guess I won't be giving any of these things to my sisters for Christmas. Since I got to slice all of them open. Okay. Oh, I remember this. I remember this. It's a sample packet of masks. This brush. Love sample packets. This is gonna be great. I gotta open one right now. It is a double. Okay, I can't get into it right now. It smells good. So I brush it on. And then I don't know what because I don't speak Chinese. Chinese herbal beauty. Oh, there it is. Gently apply on wet, clean face, avoiding the eye area. In 3 to 5 minutes, wet both hands and massage face in an upward swirling motion until the sugar melts. Rinse clean with warm water and pat dry. Leave golden root purifying mud mask on clean skin for 10 minutes, avoiding eye area. Yada yada. Rinse, brush clean, yada yada. That is a lot of instructions. That's going to be fun. Alright, I think this might be the last thing. What is it? Hello, it's a universal eye pencil. They must have seen my previous video. they were like, send this girl a brow pencil ASAP. Because I did have my eyebrows tattooed on. Because I don't really like tattoos, but if you're gonna get a tattoo, it should be from Groupon and it should be on your face. So I don't want to go back and have it touched up because I'm a little freaked out that I did it at all. What's happening? Is this writing? Okay, yeah, it's writing. Just pay attention. Don't pay attention to that. This is, I really like this. Man, I hope y'all are not watching this on a big screen TV. Be humiliated. It's very light. Let's see what I've done to myself here. Oh no, all I can see is my light ring. Oh, this is so weird. What's happening? I look like a cartoon character. What? Wow. Wow. I feel like I'm in the Twilight Zone. Anyway. Nice. I like it. I wish under my eyes weren't so shiny, but that's what happens. Okay. Recap. Lots of paper. Sort of a cute box, not as cute as they used to be. The mask sample. $15 off your Fab Fit Fun box. Look, here's the number. It's small e, small y, dash, 2, small SSB7. First one to use it, just use it. The lashes. That's just gonna go in my purse. This cute makeup thingy. See if it hangs down. It does. This is cute. The quality is, I'm gonna say the same thing I said before. Not the quality that you get when you get things like a Victoria's Secret, but this is closer. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And I got this. And the foot mask, which I'm super excited about because I am definitely down for the peel. I got the makeup towel. I got some skinny papers and a magazine I will probably never look at. And this was an add-on. I think it was $10 or $15 and it's very cute. The good thing is that you can use it for business and pleasure. Definitely loving this. Because Lord knows I did not have 9 lunchbox coolers already. Super cute. I'm most excited about that, I think. And then I got a black bag, which is here. Polly, cuteness, Of course, yesterday I ordered a black Coach purse off Brad's deals. I guess Coach Outlet was having a deal, so now I kind of don't really need this at all, but somebody will get it for Christmas, so don't share this. And there was one more thing. Oh, the thing that I can't read. The lotion. Oh yeah, I put it under my eyes. And that's it. Fun. Big fun. But I might have to take another year off. I think 1 year is my limit. It's not that I'm not impressed. It's that I'm not overly impressed. I'm not impressed enough to get this 4 times a year. I don't think. I feel like it's just, I don't know. I don't know. I'll have to think about it. But that's that. Happy Halloween.